feel welcome. We are known for unity and diversity.
The role of music, particularly in nurturing national cohesion.
May I request the members of the National Executive Committee who are here to rise. This is the true face of Kenya.
The committee and the ministry has been able to take the festival to the people. You know, previously, people would come for the festival in Nairobi, and very few people had the opportunity to do that. But now, the festival is being taken to the people so that the villager around here, around Moi High School here, would just walk in here and see what's happening, and that will help them to grow.
Interaction of students. The KMF brings these students together, and I believe that one is also building national cohesion. There are also, you know, the themes that we are tackling. Sometimes you find a theme on cohesion, a school performing a theme on cohesion. You find a school performing, two schools performing that theme. They are solving the conflict, you know, creating the conflict and solving it. That in itself is creating cohesion, you know, because you are putting that into the minds of the students.
Music festival foster national unity and cohesion in various aspects. I'll give an illustration. For example, you find that a school from Western or a school from Coast doing a folk song from Eastern or a folk song from Rift Valley. This is the aspect whereby there is the exchange in ideas of different ethnicities, different tribes, different communities. So when they come together and perform, we find there's an aspect of unity because this is a learning experience, not only for the students, but each and every person that has attended this festival. So we have seen how people have really developed the aspect of unity, mostly to the children.
You see, our country is diverse in terms of communities and tribes. So by learning these songs and coming to present them here, people aren't just coming to entertain themselves in those halls, they're coming to learn something from those halls. So basically, using songs from different languages brings us together so that you understand this is a storyline, and basically what these people are trying to sing is connected to the storyline of the song. Yeah.
Ubaguzi ameosha, ulotukera nyanjani, usawa mesawazisha, alo dunia tuoni, tunashibeza maisha, kwetu mekuwa peponi. Muisani angarisha, angatopaa na bali. Na kama sio amani yetu, tusingesoma mashuleni. Na kama sio amani yetu, tusingepata maendeleo. Na kama
National Educator.